Uddhav Thackeray over the Ram Mandir invitation. Now here's what Home Minister Amit Shah has said, that this is a fake Shiv Sena chief. Uddhav Thackeray, Amit Shah says, skipped the Mandir invitation because he was fearful of Sonia Gandhi. Amit Shah said Uddhav Thackeray and the Congress have disrespected Lord Ram, that he was invited, and he appears to now be a fake president of Shiv Sena who did not even attend the Pran Pratishtha due to the fear of Sonia Gandhi, even though he was sent out an invitation. Rahul Baba also, he says, was invited but did not attend the Pran Pratishtha. They have disrespected Lord Ram. So BJP senior leadership bringing in the Ram Mandir here, saying that Ram Mandir, which is the ethos, the civilizational point for India. But however, at this juncture, when these leaders were even sent an invitation, they, for politics, did not choose to attend.
ये अपने आप को शिवसेना के अध्यक्ष मानने वाले उद्धव ठाकरे जी को निमंत्रण दिया। ये नकली शिवसेना अध्यक्ष प्राण प्रतिष्ठा में नहीं गए सोनिया गांधी के डर से। शरद राव को भी निमंत्रण दिया, उन्होंने कहा तबीयत खराब है मैं नहीं जाऊंगा। अब भाई चुनाव में कैसे घूम रहे हो? जाना चाहिए था या नहीं जाना चाहिए था? अरे राहुल बाबा को भी निमंत्रण दिया। अभी अमरावती आए, राहुल बाबा अमरावती में कोई सुनने वाला नहीं है, पहले अयोध्या जाकर दर्शन करने आओ तो कोई देश में आपको सुनेगा। इन लोगों ने मंदिर को तो रोक कर रखा, प्राण प्रतिष्ठा में न जाकर भगवान प्रभु श्री राम का अपमान करने का काम इन्होंने किया है।
Ritvik Balagar joining me for the latest on that, because that speech was made in Maharashtra, concerns Maharashtra politics specifically, and Shiv Sena, that had once been an alliance partner of the BJP and had very similar views on whether it's Lord Ram or the Ram Temple. Ritvik, I bring you in. Any reaction yet from Uddhav Thackeray or the UBT faction yet? Because it appears that Home Minister Amit Shah, apart from the Congress party, are now charging directly at Uddhav Thackeray as well.
Not really, because Amit Shah has just made a statement about this, and he has once again reiterated that Uddhav Thackeray, who claims to be the president of Shiv Sena, is the fake president, and he didn't attend Ram Mandir's Pran Pratishtha due to the fear of Sonia Gandhi. Even after him being invited, he was called, is what our sources tell us, from the state BJP leadership and also from the central leadership. But Uddhav Thackeray chose not to go to the Pran Pratishtha. Even PM Modi, while in a rally in Maharashtra, had earlier said that Uddhav Thackeray is not the president of the real Shiv Sena, but he is the president of the Nakli Shiv Sena, on which Uddhav Thackeray had hit back very hardly, saying that even BJP is not Bharatiya Janata Party but the Bhrashta Janata Party. And again now Amit Shah has come back on the same topic, targeting Uddhav, saying that he is the fake president of Shiv Sena.
Very interesting. Ritvik, please keep tracking all the latest on that. And while we wait for that reaction from the UBT faction, listen in to what Home Minister Amit Shah said about targeting very specifically, not the Congress party as much as Uddhav Thackeray.
ये अपने आप को शिवसेना के अध्यक्ष मानने वाले उद्धव ठाकरे जी को निमंत्रण दिया। ये नकली शिवसेना अध्यक्ष प्राण प्रतिष्ठा में नहीं गए सोनिया गांधी के डर से। शरद राव को भी निमंत्रण दिया, उन्होंने कहा तबीयत खराब है मैं नहीं जाऊंगा। अब भाई चुनाव में कैसे घूम रहे हो? जाना चाहिए था या नहीं जाना चाहिए था? अरे राहुल बाबा को भी निमंत्रण दिया। अभी अमरावती आए, राहुल बाबा अमरावती में कोई सुनने वाला नहीं है, पहले अयोध्या जाकर दर्शन करने आओ तो कोई देश में आपको सुनेगा। इन लोगों ने मंदिर को तो रोक कर रखा, प्राण प्रतिष्ठा में न जाकर भगवान प्रभु श्री राम का अपमान करने का काम इन्होंने किया।